fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Okay, I caught a fish today. That's something different. It hadn't happened in a while. But I didn't get to eat breakfast because I was running late. So we're going to come up here and set up camp. And I'm going to pitch a tent and Rob's going to get in it.
I don't think I'm going to move from here all night.
So we're probably going to sit around camp after we get everything set up, eat. And I might run and get us a six pack.
What about a bottle?
Oh, you have to run all the way to Linden, probably. Oh, I wonder if they got Crown. Alright, we got camp set up. Got Rob over here cooking. What are you cooking?
I don't know. I was kind of hungry when I was at Walmart yesterday. So.
I mean, but what'd you call it?
Oh, we're going to have some Philly cheesesteaks with ribeye.
Philly cheesesteaks with ribeyes. Can you turn that off before I get copyrighted?
That's the plan. And I saw these in the frozen section.
Okay.
And it just caught my attention. I don't know if it's going to be any good, but I figure shit, we're going to be at camp.
Philly cheesesteak. Philly? Say that.
Smells fucking fishy as fuck.
Oh, that's shellfish.
Philly cheesesteak sandwiches.
With crawfish tail.
Crawfish and ribeye meat. Oh.
Okay, people. I don't know. You know, we've been doing this for a long time. And we always have tacos. We always have tacos.
It's like taco with a bread.
I don't know. He's turning on me. He's not near as brown people as I am anymore. I don't think. I don't know what's going on. I can't talk bad because, you know, I'm doing goofy shit too, but that's...
I have to make food to cater to your likings.
So we're having fucking tacos then, huh?
Yeah, but you do like the Taco Bell kind of tacos.
Oh my God, I made it Taco Bell one time in 3 years. I don't even want to hear it. I don't even want to hear it. If he was going to make some sandwiches, he could have made some tortas.
I mean, we're supposed to be making catfish right now.
Yeah, we were supposed to be frying fish, but, you know, we had a cold front come through and that didn't exactly work out like we thought it was. But I'm going to take y'all around, show you. I got the hammock set up. Rob's got his hammock and tent set up. I don't get it. But he don't have the shit to stay warm in a hammock like I do. I've got the sleeping bag on top. The under quilt underneath. Yeah, I'm going to stay warm. It's supposed to be down in the low 40s. It ought to be fun. Gonna light us a fire here in a little bit. Waiting on the wind to get under 15 mile an hour. So. But I did do some white boy stuff. Yeah, I got a pair of Hey Dudes. They're not really. They're Justin's, but they're comfortable. And I had a coupon, as Rob says. So. I'll bring y'all along if we do anything interesting tonight. If not, I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, I know the wind's murder. But Scratch me talking bad about Rob's idea for a sandwich. I've never had a Philly cheesesteak. Damn sure never had one he made. It's bomb. It's yeah. And that's crawfish tails and we didn't know, and I seasoned them up. They're all right, but they're not good. We were gonna put them on the sandwiches, but we're gonna eat them with chips on the side with some hot sauce. What do you think? Shit's fire.
Sandwich isn't bad at all.
Sandwich is good. It's not tacos like we usually have, but it's good. What's up, lifers? I done filmed this once. I was gonna let y'all know, you know, we're getting a fishing video. I caught a big today. It's no PB for the year.
Yeah.
You know,
That was the only fish caught today.
I want to show y'all this fire that Rob started rubbing two sticks together.
I made that happen.
He made that happen.
Took me like 30 seconds.
You know, he says he's a Mexican. I say he might be like an Indian scout or something.
It's my Boy Scout training.
Oh, he was in the Boy Scout. Did y'all have Boy Scout and Juarez?
We have what?
Boy Scout and Juarez.
I mean, it was a different variation of it.
Okay.
But absolutely.
Yeah. I hope I didn't miss any other footage because I'm just getting used to this new camera. Man, that sunset back there, though. Oh, man. Hope y'all enjoy the video. There's going to be 2 or 3. We're going to film some tomorrow. Got the hammock up. I know y'all done seen it. Rob, did you stay as warm as I did last night?
I was nice and cozy all night.
I know you slept good.
I slept about 20 minutes.
Fuck,
easily.
The neighbors down there know you slept good.
I think I died twice. It was cold. That sleeping bag I think was rated for 39 degrees.
So it hit the...
It was good. My head is what was getting cold. And then the worst part is when I had to take a piss and crawl out of the sleeping bag, out of the tent, into the woods.
Same thing. I didn't never make the woods, but yeah, I had to.
I think I heard you get up a couple times, and every time you did, that's when I slept for my 10 minutes each time.
Oh yeah,
Because once you lay down.
Because I was snoring so much.
I don't know if that was snoring. It was howling. Like I'm not sure what you call it.
Okay, y'all seen some of the camping videos. Y'all seen the sunset.
Bigfoot in East Texas, guys. That's all I'm saying.
Y'all seen that sunset. But I didn't get sunrise this morning because I got about 3 hours sleep last night between Rob snoring and dying. A couple times I got up and had to kick him to get him started again, but you know, he definitely needed his breathing machine to sleep with. But no, we're just bullshitting. All in all, it's good. It's a little cold, but
You did get down to the chilling.
yeah. I think it was last time I looked 37. I've slept in that hammock with it 28, so I've slept in it a lot worse. But yeah, we're finna get up and get awake and I don't know, probably go fishing, I guess. Sun gets up, warms up a little bit. I'm not going out there if it's still 37.
Water right now.
If it's still 37 degrees.
I'm perfectly happy right here sitting by this all-night campfire.
Yeah, I like my fire. It burnt most of the night. I did get up and mess with it once or twice.
It was cold last night. I don't know how he did it in the hammock. I had to move to the tent because it was super, super cold. I slept 20 good.
Okay, I know it's a mess because we didn't have a picnic table or a regular table. And I want y'all to look at this. You know, me and Rob, we've been talking about it. We might just start doing a camping and cooking channel. Because we can't fish, neither fucking one of us. But my God, he can chef it up. And I can chef it up if I have to. And we finna eat like fat dogs in a minute, so.
Yes, we are.
And Rob's made a bunch of good investments in his whole life, but that son right there is the best investment he's ever made.
For everything we can.
Everything. If we could figure out how to smoke a brisket on that thing, it would be the ultimate. Yeah, we finna get our food on here in a second. And I made fun of him making Philly cheesesteaks last night. My God, that was awesome. For real. Oh my God. Y'all look at that. It's the man, the myth, the Rob. We need the food truck. What was that little trick right there?
Just getting some grease, getting flavor.
Get some grease on them eggs. This is like a 5-star breakfast. Oh, you busted one.
That's yours.
There you go, now flip it. I don't that one stick this fast. Rob said it's better than Waffle House. I don't know, that's pretty tough, but it's damn good. It's hard to be better than Waffle House, though. Nobody with no toast smoking a cigarette served it. It's hard to beat that. Alright, lifers, we got camp cleaned up. We're finna go. Left it better than we found it. Rob said we put the fire out close enough. It's wet in East Texas, it'd be hot anyway. But what I want y'all to do is to go to his channel when he puts his video up. When he puts his video up, follow him and stay on his ass to make him make more videos. I'll have him tagged in the description. That's part of the reason I've made as many videos I have, and he hadn't made a video in over a year. Y'all get on his butt.
Demonetized because of it.
Y'all get on his butt. Tell him if he's not gonna make any other kind of video game or video, start doing a gaming channel where we can talk shit to him. But we gone. We finna wrap out of here. Everything's loaded up. Rob's boat's loaded up. I lost a stuff sack. I think Rob took it home with him. I don't know.
I already told you what I was doing with it.
Yeah.
Not saying it on camera.
I mean, brown people, you know, they be stealing your shit.
You are in East Texas.
All right, y'all. We out of here. Y'all have a good one.